In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Wowcher promo codes in 2024. So with that in mind, let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Wowcher promo code. Right here, I recommend you to use this website, which is couponfollow.com. And right here, we will have a list with a lot of promo codes and deals that you can use for the website for a voucher. And for example, if I want to get this deal with 10% off discount, all I have to do is select your coupon code right here. And this is the discount code which I can use on my next purchase in order to get that discount. Also, if I'm going back to my main search right here, let's say I'm going to this website, my voucher codes, and right here we have other different promo codes and deals for a voucher. And for example, if I want to use this deal right here, all I have to do is select get discount. And as you can see, there is no code required. I can simply go to website to this promo code and the discount will be applied automatically to my purchase. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.